In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email marketing templates on Mailchimp using Canva, perfect for beginners. This is a simple and effective way to design visually appealing emails while leveraging Mailchimp's powerful email marketing features. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your Canva account. Simply head over to canva.com and sign in, or create an account if you don't already have one. Canva is a fantastic tool for designing all sorts of digital content, and this is where we'll be crafting the core of your email template. Once you're signed in, use the search bar to find templates by typing in either email newsletter or email template. Canva has a vast library of professionally designed templates to choose from, but you can also start from scratch if you prefer. Select a template that aligns well with the message you wish to convey in your email, and don't worry, you can customize every detail. Now, it's time to make it your own. Customize the design by altering the text, swapping images, adjusting colors, and choosing different fonts to align with your brand identity. This step is crucial because a consistent look helps in reinforcing brand recognition. As you retouch your design, keep simplicity and readability in mind. Aim for a clean, uncluttered design that will also look great on mobile, as a significant portion of your audience may be viewing your emails on their phones. After you've finalized your design, the next step is to export it. Navigate to the top right corner of Canva and click on the Share button. Choose the download option, and when prompted, select either PNG or JPG format for the export. Unfortunately, Mailchimp doesn't support direct Canva templates, so this format change is necessary. Once your design is saved to your computer, it's time to switch over to Mailchimp. Log into your Mailchimp account at mailchimp.com. After logging in, start fresh with a new email campaign by clicking on Create, then choosing Email, and finally selecting Regular Email. This will lead you to the area where you can pick a layout. Opt for a custom template or a basic layout if you're looking for simplicity. From here, drag and drop an image block into the email. This block is where your Canva design will take center stage. Upload the PNG or JPG design you exported and adjust its size within Mailchimp if needed, ensuring it looks just right. Before you finalize anything, preview and test how your combined work looks. Click on Preview and Test to ensure everything appears just as you intended. If everything is looking good, you're ready for the last step, scheduling or sending your email campaign. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully created an email marketing template using Canva and integrated it with Mailchimp. You're ready to engage your audience with stunning branded emails. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.